backend development and APIs on FreeCodeCamp on the managing packages with NPM course, and we are going to add a license to our package.json. So we have our project set up on Replit, so we can paste the link, and all we're going to do here is add a license field to our project. So common license for open source projects include MIT and BSD. License information is not required, but copyright laws in specific countries will give you ownership over what you create. So if you're trying to make it open source, anyone can use it. Anyone can use the code and profit off of it if they, feel the need or can somehow profit off of a little Replit project. We can add a MIT license to our project. So again, we're in our package.json file, and we're just going to add a license here. So let's just go underneath the keywords and add a double quotes license, and then we'll just add MIT because we do not care, this is open source. Okay, and then we can stop the project, rerun the project, so npm start the project, and then once it has begun and the server is listening, we can take the link, head back to FreeCodeCamp, and paste in our solution. As you can see, we got the check. That's all we had to do for this one. Hope that helped, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.